Welcome to MRC Center. My name is Michael Rossi, and I wanted to talk to you about a very important topic today. Have you ever thought why some people is richer than others? Have you questioned yourself why some people have a happier life than others? Or have you ever thought why 90% of the wealth of this world is in the hands of the 10% of the society? This is the question, $1 million question. Did you know that every person that is born in this life comes with Millionaire Gene? Now, what does that mean? That means that anybody who was born here in this world has got the capacity and the potential to become a millionaire if they want to. And the topic of this video is the Millionaire Gene. This is just an introduction, and I wanted to talk about this topic. I've been thinking, talking, recording videos for past 12 months about the Millionaire Gene. In fact, I have traveled around the world, and I have even commenced writing a book called The Millionaire Gene, which I will put the picture on the video. And it's going to be published around April, May 2018. Now, what is Millionaire Gene? The gene in our body is that it's got the fire to enkindle your enthusiasm, your drive to get up and go through your series of a sequence of actions, so that by continuing it, by initiating it, that you would achieve the goals. And the goals are here for our discussion, is millionaire, to be a millionaire. Now, you might say, why then so many people out there meet the ends, or they're always struggling to really make money, or there are so many divorces happening just because of financial crisis, or there are countries that all the people in that country are struggling out of poverty. Now, that is the key to it. It's not only to have the gene and then you automatically become a millionaire. The key to it is, first of all, to be conscious of it, that you have it. So that means discovering your gene, that you are a potential millionaire, but you have not tapped into it. Second, you have to take action. Nothing happens without action, and you have to stop procrastination in your life. Thirdly, you need to have a discipline to keep yourself on the track so that you'll get to your goal. And most importantly is you need to set a goal where and what time and how you're going to get there. So therefore, if we are all not achieving it, is because lack of goals, most importantly lack of discipline, and lack of knowledge. Everyone has got it. The purpose of this video is to discuss and inform everyone out there that if you decide momentarily to become a millionaire, you will become a millionaire. All you have to do is to make the decision, apply some discipline, and set some directions, and set some goals, and decide what GPS you're going to use to get to that goal. When I use GPS as a sample, is the direction that you want to take. Now, you may not know everything up front while you're doing all this. You may go and do research and learn about it, but then set that goal and direction for yourself. From my personal experience, most of the people fail in their goals or directions because of lack of discipline. If you don't have a discipline, it's like not having a muscle. You can't lift anything, you can't move anymore. And in order to have a strong muscles, you have to exercise it to make it strong. Discipline is exactly the same. You need to go through macro disciplines so that you have a macro discipline at the end. Now, discipline is like a house of cards. If you break a small micro discipline, the whole house collapses. For example, if you decide in your life that you want to lose weight, which is the most common decisions, the New Year's resolutions people make, and if you decide to have a certain diet so that you can lose some weight, and if you break that diet, you're not supposed to eat certain food or not to do certain thing, and you might say, okay, only today I'll break it. What happens is you have broken a micro discipline that is the fabrication of a big decision you've made, and slowly you get frustrated and you give up. Therefore, in order to exercise your discipline and strengthen it, you need to start with micro disciplines and make small decisions and have micro disciplines applied to it. And every major goal that you set for yourself is a combination of micro goals. So therefore, you need to make smaller decisions. When you look at a mountain, it is big and is overwhelming. And when you want to climb it, you climb it one step at a time. So therefore, what you need to do is decide small decisions, apply macro discipline to it, and as you get stronger and stronger, you take a much bigger leaps towards your goal. The Millionaire Gene, it's a vast subject, and in order for you to really apply and tap into or discover your own gene, I invite you to attend my workshop. Now I'm going to introduce a one-day free workshop for everyone to attend so that I could initiate, introduce, and for you to discover your own millionaire gene. Look down here, I've put a connection to the website. Go there and register as a free participant through Eventbrite and attend one day free workshop, and I will go step by step how you could tap into your own millionaire gene that has been hidden all your life and how you can utilize it now. It doesn't matter what age you are in. You could be 15, 20 years old. You could be 70, 80 years old. It doesn't matter. It's got nothing to do with age. It's all to do tapping into the gene. So therefore, go and register, get into the details of where the venues are, and I will see you at the workshop.